Hello, this is Tessa from Ultra Agent, and today we're going to show you how to add text, photos, and links to your home page. To give you a quick idea, I'm going to click onto Preview Website. On my home page, I have an empty space here, and today we're going to show you how to fill that up. There's two ways to administer your home page. The first way is by clicking on Roadmap. You can either click here or up here. Once there, you can scroll down to Step 3, and under Center Content, click on Home. The second way to get here is by being on the Website tab and scrolling down to Content, and then you scroll down to Center and click on Home. Now that we're here, you can see that it's pretty much set up like Microsoft Word. It's got similar tools up here, and you can type whichever saying or logo you want. So for starters, I'm going to type welcome to Johnson Real Estate. And now I can highlight it, change the font to whatever I want it to be, and I can change it to be a heading too. So I'm going to change it to heading 2, and we'll center it. Now if I save this and go down to my website and scroll down, now my heading is there. So let's continue. Alright, so let's add a little more text into here. You can put whatever you would like to tell your viewers, or you can write your slogan, whatever you would like. I'm going to put, we are here to help you find your perfect home. It takes. And let's say you want to add a picture into here as well. All you have to do is click on your image manager right here, and it's going to first bring up your gallery. So I already saved an image into my gallery. I'm going to click on that one, press insert. And now my picture's there. So if we save it, this is what should pop up on our home page when we go back to look. And there it is. But let's say you want to add a little more. So all you're going to have to do is either write whatever you would like, or you can do what we call snippets. To insert a snippet, you're just going to click on this black arrow next to the symbol and pick whichever one you want. I'm going to do home value request. And now there's the free home value request. And this is already pre-linked to your home value request page. And you can do as many as you like too. See, now I have a couple more. So if I click save and go back to my website, they should pop up. There they are. And you can click on them and they'll go straight to that page. Now if you'd like to create your own link, you are more than welcome to do that. All you have to do is type up whatever text you want to. For me, I'm going to highlight and copy this text from my notes. I'm going to copy it, then paste, and you can see that I typed up free property email alerts, some other text, and I want my free property email alerts to be my link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to either click on hyperlink management, or I can just click on custom links. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on property alerts. And now it's linked. So if I click save, and I go to my website, when we scroll down all the way, you can see that my text is there and my free property email alerts is in blue. I can click on it and it brings me to the property email alerts. Now, if you don't like everything that you've done so far and you want to delete it, you have to click on HTML, highlight everything that's in this box, and press backspace or delete. Now if you save it, it's going to be just empty all over again. We do have some additions that you can add to your home page. Those are right here. You can click on any of the little boxes here to add them in. We have your latest 5 blog posts, latest 5 news articles, or your top 10 featured listings. If you decide to click on the news articles one, you do have to save it first, and then when you scroll back down to it, you need to hover over the question mark and click on select news feed. It's going to bring you to this page, and you can change the title to whatever you want it to be, but you need to select a news feed. You can pick either Realty Times or Realtor Magazine. Once you do, you click save, and you can preview your website, and you can see that your real estate news has popped up with the 5 newest articles. And since these are real news feeds, they will automatically update on their own, so you don't have to worry about that. And this concludes our tutorial on how to add text, photos, and links to your home page. Have a great day.